ChatGPT is one of the most trending topics right now. So it's only been launched for a little longer than a month, and it's already broken records, gaining more than 1 million subscribers in just 5 days. So, what is ChatGPT and how do you use it? Is it valuable for your business? What is it? What's going on with it? Let's jump into it. So, today I'm going to talk to you about what ChatGPT is, how to use it for your business, and if you stay towards the end of the video, you'll see me do a few demonstrations on how I am using it right now. So basically, ChatGPT is an AI tool that allows you to be able to enter queries or enter questions, enter suggestions, and this tool will give you not only a response, it will answer your question by providing a resource. For example, if you want, do you want to write a resume for a personal assistant or get a resume written for developer? All you have to do is ask ChatGPT and it'll write this out for you. The same thing with email. You want to write an email, it can write an email from scratch. All you need to do is give it a few prompts and hit the enter button and let it run. I think this is one of the most powerful tools that we've seen in a very long time, and it's going to be game changing for a lot of businesses. In fact, right now we're seeing a lot of businesses that are trying to leverage this tool and use it to generate money from, which is great. My take is a little bit different because I think you can use this tool as a way to become more efficient with your business. So if you have an e-commerce business or you're running an agency, this could be a great tool to help you add a little bit more mental muscle to your company, to your efficiency. Do you need help with writing up a blog, or do you need some blog ideas? This is a great tool to help you or your content writer get started. So those are some of the things and examples that I've seen ChatGPT add value with and what makes it so powerful. Now, one of the other points I want to mention is the impact it's going to have on how we do things professionally, how it's going to shift the market. For the past 10, 15 years, all of us have been using Google to get answers to everything we do. You have a question, Google it. You want to know how to do something, Google it. Well, this is taking that experience a step further with not only giving you an answer, but providing context and giving you specific solutions to your problem. So it's a little bit of a step beyond how Google operates. I wouldn't be surprised if in a few years, a company like Google tries to acquire ChatGPT as a defensive strategy to make sure that they are still growing and they are still the top priority tool regarding the user experience and the digital world, the tech world, the professional world, and how all of us operate. So now I want to do a few demonstrations. Let's pull up the laptop and let's go through a couple scenarios. All right, so here we are. We're in the ChatGPT interface. I'm already logged into my account, but it's pretty easy to set up an account with ChatGPT. All you have to do is fill out name and email, and then you can subscribe. You sign up, it's free. At least it's free for now. And then from there, you go to new chat, you type in what you want to search. So let's say, write a job description for a personal assistant. See what it comes up with. And just like that, in a couple of minutes, you're able to generate a job description. For a small business, somebody who's limited on resources or a limited team, this is powerful because now you can move 10 times as fast as you've been able to move in the past. So again, a lot of people are talking about using this for making money. I think this is a tool to help you be more efficient. Let's play around and do another example. Let's see. This is beautiful because I started this process and now I can go and do something else and come back and I'll have this already written out for me. And while this is loading, I can think of let's try one more idea and just see how it works. Beautiful, love it. Look at this. This just gave me six ideas for starting an e-commerce business. Let's try one more example, and then we'll jump. So, write me an Instagram post for starting a business. Now, this is great. Obviously, this is you have to customize this to your own liking, but this gets you started. This is powerful. So as you saw, we were able to play around with 3 different types of scenarios, and ChatGPT delivered on all of them, even putting together an Instagram post, which I think is very powerful. Obviously, you have to do some tweaking on the content that it produced, but that is going to help you save a ton of time because now you don't have to just come up with ideas from scratch. You work with ChatGPT to get you some baseline ideas, and then you can iterate through those. So do I think ChatGPT is a powerful tool to help you as a small business owner or a small business e-commerce business owner become more effective? You could do a ton of things. In fact, what I am going to be doing on the next video is I'm going to spend about a week working with my team, testing out different ways that we can all use ChatGPT, and I'm going to talk to you guys about it. So if you like this video, please feel free, hit the like and subscribe button. And then also at the bottom, we have a link to a quiz. If you are struggling with your email marketing, fill out the quiz, and based on the answers, it's going to provide you a personalized recommendation on how to improve your email marketing. So again, I hope you love this video. Look forward to seeing you on the next. And if you do want to see how it turns out after a week of my team getting involved with this ChatGPT and seeing how we can use it to be more efficient, check me out in the next video.